Hello and welcome to Williams Crawford, and today we're going to show you this Cayenne Turbo. Now these are real beasts of a car. They've got luxury to spare and horsepower to spare normally, with over 500 horses, but this particular car has had a fortune spent to give it over 615 horses, we believe, and the torque to pull a house down. So under this carbon fibre bonnet lies an absolute beast of an engine. Now these cars have got lots of options as standard, but one thing you'll appreciate is how clean this vehicle is. I mean, it is black and black shows every mark, but it is all but without marks, and that includes the wheels. Just look down the side of that. It is absolutely spotless. Now it's got a panoramic roof, which is a full-length glass sunroof that opens. You can just see it there, and the silver roof rails and silver around the window frames. And that carbon fibre extends to just on the back trim of the doors, look. And then inside it's picked up with the multifunction wheel, which has also got a little bit of carbon fibre trim on it. Obviously it's full leather in here, everything's leather. The car's done not so many miles, and it's got a beautiful service history. So you've really struck the jackpot if it's a type of car that you want. I mean, these feel like home, and they are truly express travel that's going to frighten many a supercar. And there's the glass sunroof, look, it really adds another dimension to it, and there's an electric blind that covers it as well if you want to have the sort of feeling of the closed car. Porsche crests in all the head restraints, a full leather interior, Bose sound memory seats, 18-way seats I think they are. And this car's got the silver trim in the doors and the dash, which match the exterior. It's got the running boards on it, or the side steps you might call them, and then in the back is again a beautiful place to be, and it's immaculate. You can just see the silver and carbon fibre trim, which really set this car off. It's also got silver seat belts, which is nice, and again it adds that little special touch to it. And in the back, the Porsche crests in the head restraints. It's come in a lovely polished up, beautiful looking state. All the wheels, turbo wheels, really nice red brake calipers, park distance. You've got an electric tailgate. Oh, it's got Akrapovic exhaust tips, but a custom exhaust with crossover to help it yield a little bit more horsepower, and the full spec you'll find on the website. And a carbon fibre rear spoiler. It is a beautiful, beautiful machine. In the back, completely immaculate. So there you have it, beautiful, very special Cayenne. We deliver nationwide, so don't worry about the distance. If you fancy it, give us a call. We'll sort out everything else for you. Thanks for watching.